Good morning students. Next session will start now. Sets only. We will discuss more problems in this session. So previously we discussed one question, that is infinite set. Now we are taking a finite set. How we can do that elements operations? Suppose A is equal to set of, you can take any elements, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I am taking only odd numbers up to 10 only I am taking. And B is equal to set of all even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. These even numbers I am taking up to 10 only I am taking, not more than 10. And also the set C contains, C I am taking as prime numbers less than 10 only I am taking. 1, 3, 5, 7, that's all. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are all prime numbers. A is odd natural numbers up to 10 and B is even natural numbers less than 10 and C is prime numbers less than 10 we are taking. Now find A union B, A union B, second one A minus B. So I will mix that questions, union, intersection and minus, we are giving all the questions. And also third one A intersection C, A intersection C, and fourth one A B minus C, B minus C. So first of all we can write that A union B. Write all the elements of A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is finite set we are taking, not infinites. No need to write that so on like a previous question. And write the symbol whatever the given, union, and write the elements of the second set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you can write union means you can combine the elements. So 1 is there here, in these elements it is not there. So write all the elements but don't write the repeated elements. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the elements are there, there is no repeated elements. Common elements in that both not there. You can write either elements of A, element of B. You can write that, that is A union B. Second one A minus B. That means again you can write that elements of A, that means odd natural numbers, minus elements of B, that is even natural numbers. So odd natural numbers, even natural numbers. Up to 10 only we can write. So if is subtraction of these two is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is there elements here? 1 not there, 3 not there, 5, 7 and 9. So there is no elements A minus B. So there is no elements common not there. So there is no elements common. That is nothing but you can write all the elements of A, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is nothing but A only. That is A. So every element of A you can write in A minus B. Is there any element common? Then we can't write here. But any element not there in that B. So third one, A intersection B. A intersection B. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersection B elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Is there any common elements? 1, 3, 5. Previously we discussed there is no common elements. So that is nothing but no need to write any elements. Is there any common elements? A and B. The elements intersection A and B. The elements which are there in A and B. There is no elements like that. You can write just empty set. That is known as pi. This is empty set which is known as pi. Finally, last one, no? B minus C. So you can write all the elements of B 2, 4, 6, 8 minus the elements of C. That means prime numbers less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1 also there. So not prime numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, na? Including 1 also we are taking. That is equal to B minus C. Common elements you have to subtract. Here 2 is there, 2 also there. 2 we can subtract. 4 not there, 8 not there, 6 also not there. You can write the elements 4, 6, 8. Write the elements 4, 6, 8 in B minus C. So the elements which are belongs to B not belongs to C. That is you can write B minus C. Next one, suppose if they can give the some questions like a matching type. So if they can give the some questions matching, write the reasons. If it is true or false, they can ask how it is true. Suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not equal to, they can give the second element also. B, how that B? A not equal to B given. So here the elements is X such that X belongs to N natural numbers and also 1 less than X less than 10. Like that they given. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on 10 and B is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number and 1 to 10 the elements. They are asking these two are not equal. It is true or false. Like this they can give the 4 questions for 4 marks. So we will discuss this question. I am writing that A as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 not equal to first set not equal to B. Now this write in the form of element form. This element you can write set builder form is there. You can write in that element form first of all. So all natural numbers in between 1 to 10. You can select natural numbers in between 1 to 10. So no need to write here 1. Why? Because equality not there. So 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't write that 10. Don't write 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are the elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what is the difference here? Both elements. Here 1 and 10 is there in the first set but not there in that second set. So these two elements are not equal. This first set and the second set not equal. So they given that one. So therefore it is true only. You can write that one true. It is true because 1 and 10 is not elements of the second set. This is the reason you have to write. Write the reasons compulsory. So either first set, second set. All the elements are same. Then it is said to be equality. Equal sets. Next one. A is equal to, suppose 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elements are there in A. Okay, now they can ask it 2 marks question. A is equal to number of elements in A. Here they can ask how many subsets are there for this A. What is there any formula for subsets? Here we have one formula for subsets. So 1, 2, 3. 2 power n of A. This is said to be number of subsets on the set. So using that formula 2 power n of A, 2 power number of elements, 2 power n of A. Here how many elements? Here 1, 2, 3 elements are there. How many subsets can you write? 2 power 3, that is equal to 8 subsets can you write. What are subsets? So I will list out the subset. Subsets of A are, first of all you can write that empty set is subset for every set. Empty set is subset for every set. And you can write that singleton elements. 1 set of 1, set of 2, set of 3, 1, 2, 3, singleton sets. After that I can write that one 1, 2, 1, 3. Don't come back. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. This completed. Next one no 2, 3. Don't come back. 2, 1. Don't write that. 1, 2 or 2, 1 both are same only. And 2, 3. Now we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But finally we have one set that is 1, 2, 3. All the elements the same set A is said to be, this is known as pi and which is known as itself. Pi and itself is the subsets for every set. This is the formula for subsets. How many subsets are there? Possible subsets. 2 power n of A. So sometimes they can ask some bits how many proper subsets. What is the meaning of proper? Proper means at least one element less than that set is known as proper sets. So this is, here 3 elements are there, here no elements. This is proper, 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 proper. These are all proper except this set. Here 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Both are equal sets, not proper sets. Proper set subset means the elements, whatever the elements in the set, at least one element less than the set. Superset. Subset means less than these elements. That means these are all set except this one are said to be proper sets. That means that is the formula 2 power n of A minus 1. Number of proper subsets of any set. 2 power number of elements on the set minus 1. That is proper subsets. And one more is there, non-empty proper subsets. How many are there for a set non-empty proper subsets? That is 2 power n of a minus 2. Non-empty, first of all we are taking that proper subsets. Except itself, remaining all are said to be proper subsets. Non-empty, but here we have an empty set. We can remove this one also. First of all, remove itself and empty set. If we remove these two sets, subsets, then it is said to be non-empty proper subsets. Is how many non-empty proper subsets are there? 2 power number of elements in the set minus 2. Okay, now suppose in the questions they can ask, in place of 3 they can give the directly n of a, number of elements in the set is 4. Then they can ask how many subsets are there. How many subsets are there, they can ask. How many subsets are there for this set? 2 power 4, 16. Coming to next model, if we discuss, that is, suppose A is equal to set of multiples of 3, I am selecting here, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, and B is equal to set of, you can write all odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and the set B contains 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay, now these numbers, they are asking that A and B are disjoint set. Okay, now what is meant by disjoint sets? Suppose if we draw that Venn diagram, disjoint means there is no common element on both sets, either A or B, there is no common elements. That is said to be disjoint sets. There is no common elements. Here they are asking for this A and B are disjoint sets. It is true or false they are asking. Okay, now A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. True or false, what is your reason? So A and B are disjoint set. I can use that Venn diagram for this one. So in that Venn diagram, it will be very easily you can identify it is disjoints or not. So is there any elements common in these two elements? 3 is there. So write that set A and B, and which is universal set. A and B, which is universal set. Here we have common element 3 and remaining elements 6, 9, 12. And what are the remaining elements here? 1, 5, 7. So here 3 is there in A and B. So therefore A and B are not, A and B are not disjoint set. Disjoint sets. What is the reason you have to write? What is the reason? 3 is common element. B is common element. 3 is common element. Common means both is there. So that is the reason. Okay, now. So these two are not disjoint sets. Okay, now. Like that they can give that 4 questions. They can give 8 marks question. Okay, now. So either union, intersection or minus, subtraction. Other than, you can ask these type of questions. Already previously we discussed equal. What is the reason? A equal to B. Write the reason. These 4 questions only they can ask one essay question. After that we will discuss one question. A is equal to A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Now you can write that one. B is equal to, here if they can ask B BCAD. A is equal to ABCD and B is equal to whatever that ABCD, only they changed that places of the elements. But every element of A is the element of B or not? Every element of A is the element of B, then it is said to be equal sets. A is equal to B or not? They given here equal to. True or false? True or false? They are asking. It is true only. Why? Because A, B, C, D. Here also A, B, C, D. A equal to B. What is equal sets here? What is equal sets? Equal sets. What are equal sets? The each and every element of A is element of B. Then that is said to be equal sets. Okay, now equal sets. These two are said to be equal sets. A is equal to B. True only. They given equality. If here they given not equal, then it is false. Why? Because A equal to B. Each and every element of A is the element of B. Then you can write equal sets. A is equal to B. Okay, now. So maybe they can give that like these questions. They can ask 4 questions. Okay, now. So otherwise they can ask this type 4 questions. So each question carry 2 marks. Why? Because the marks will be double. Okay, now. So this is first model. Write the reasons using by Venn diagram. Okay, now. Here also you can use that Venn diagram, but of each and every elements are same only. Next one, for these 4 elements, if we write that possible subsets. Suppose A is equal to set of, I am taking only 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can write all possible subsets. Write all possible subsets. Maybe chances they can ask this question for 2 marks question. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Previously we discussed only 3 elements. Here we have 4 elements. Number of proper subsets is the formula 2 power 4. You will get 16 subsets. You can get 16 subsets. The subsets are, first we can write that empty set is subset for every set. Empty set is subset for every set. After that you can write singleton sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Write in order. Otherwise you can miss that one. 2 elements you can write. 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. After that you can write 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3 and 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. After that you can write 3, 4. 3, 4. That are the elements, 2 elements in each set. After that you can write that 3 elements. That is 1, 2, 3 and also 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. After that you can write 2, 3, 4. Okay, no? 2, 3, 4. One more you can write. 1, 3, 4 also you can write. 1, 3, 4. 1 you can complete. After that 2, 3, 4. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 itself. These are all the subsets, possible subsets of the set A. Now these are said to be possible subsets of A. Empty set and itself, those are common. Okay, now empty set and itself is the common subset for every set. If suppose one question may be framed like that, that is 1 mark question. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. That's all. They are asking A intersection pi is equal to pi intersection A is equal to pi. Show that A intersection pi, pi intersection A is equal to pi. First I am taking this one, A intersection pi. Sir, in this question they given A, but we don't know about pi. Don't ask like that. Pi is nothing but empty set. So you can write, if they given or not given, you can write pi is empty set. Now write all the elements of A. 1, 2, 3 intersection the elements of pi. Is there any common elements here? That is equal to, there is no common elements. That is pi. A intersection pi is equal to pi. Similarly, you can write pi intersection A also, you will get pi. So, pi intersection A is equal to empty set intersection the elements of A. 1, 2, 3. That is equal to, here also we will get empty set only. That is equal to pi. Therefore, A intersection pi, pi intersection A is equal to phi. Pi is nothing but empty set. In that question, they can't give that pi value. So, you know that pi is empty set. In place of pi, you can write this one empty set. Okay, students, this is all about sets. I covered almost all the problems. Thank you.